Welcome back to my winter decorating series where I'm transitioning my home from Christmas into a cozy, timeless winter style. In today's video, we are decorating after Christmas and styling my living room and dining room with simple, layered, cozy winter decor that feels warm, calm, and inviting without anything screaming Christmas. If you love winter decorating after Christmas, cozy neutral homes and budget-friendly ideas mixed with thrifted and DIY decor, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps support my channel and this entire winter decorating series. Now let's start with a clean slate and decorate my living room for winter. As always, I started by removing all of the decor from my living room so I could work with a completely clean slate. I also love using this time to give the room a good deep clean before bringing in new decor. It makes such a difference when you're refreshing a space. We're starting over here at the fireplace, and I'm bringing in one of the largest vases I owned. This is a thrifted vase that I completely made over. And if you enjoy DIYs and thrift flips, you can always find all of those projects over on my DIY channel. Inside the vase, I'm adding frosted eucalyptus stems that I picked up several years ago from Michael's. I think these are such a perfect winter stem. They work beautifully for Christmas, but they also transition seamlessly into winter decorating. Right beside that, I'm adding another one of my DIY projects, this rattan bell. I loved using it during Christmas, but it also adds so much warmth and texture to winter decor. On the opposite side, I'm bringing in my wooden lantern, which is easily one of my favorite pieces. I use it almost every season, and it always adds the cozy, collected feel. Next, we're moving over to my side table. Here, I'm adding a Pottery Barn inspired vase and filling it with the more Norfolk pine branches, the same ones I used in my previous video. I picked up quite a few of these from Dollarama and they truly have such a high-end look. Long, full stems that you normally find in much more expensive stores. To make the arrangement feel fuller, I'm layering in some smaller Norfolk pine branches from Amazon, just filling in any empty spaces. Beside the vase, I added a thrifted scalloped wooden bowl filled with small pine cones, which brings in another layer of texture and keeps everything feeling very wintry. Now let's move on to the coffee table. I'm bringing in another thrifted piece here, one I found just after the Christmas season. I loved it immediately and I knew it would work perfectly for winter decor and even for Christmas again at the end of the year. That said, I do feel like the wood tone is a little too red, so I may end up doing a small DIY makeover on it. In the center of it, I'm adding a frosted mini wreath. During the Christmas season, I actually saw these labeled as candle wreaths at a nursery, so that's what I'm calling it. I picked up mine at Dollarama for $4.50, and as of recently, they still had some in stock at my local store. I love these because they don't scream Christmas, but they still give that cozy winter feel. Inside the wreath, I added a lavender scented candle. Next to it, I'm adding another DIY vase using a small insert inside so the stems stand nicely without needing as many. I filled it with juniper berries, one of my favorite winter and Christmas stems. I got those from Amazon and I absolutely love how this coffee table came together. It feels cozy, balanced, and very winter appropriate. Moving on to the couch, I'm layering a knitted blanket again from Dollarama. They have some wonderful blankets in stock. You should definitely check them out if you have a Dollarama near you. I love the texture and weight of this one. I added a mix of patterned pillows along with a lumbar pillow in the center for balance. On the small side table that holds my lamp, I added a milk jug that I had previously made over. It used to be glass, but I painted it, and now it works beautifully for winter decor as well. Inside, I added some assorted winter stems along with a small concrete owl to bring in even more texture. And this is how the living room looks, so cozy, warm, and perfect for winter. Next, we are moving into the dining room. Again, I started by clearing off all the decor I was planning to switch out, though I did leave a couple of plates on the hutch. At the table, I'm starting with the table runner with tassels that I've been using for several years. It's neutral, timeless, and perfect for winter. On top of that, I added a scalloped woven tray from HomeSense, and inside the tray, I placed a crate and barrel inspired vase filled with pine branches that have small pine cones on them. On top of the hutch, I brought in one of my jug vases filled with some eucalyptus stems from Dollarama. Beside it, I added a thrifted wooden candle holder to continue layering in warm wood tones. I added another smaller jug style vase with more stems And on the opposite side, I repeated the wood tones with the wooden sphere. To complete the top of the hutch, I layered in a painting behind everything. On the lower shelves, I added a small vase with cedar stems, followed by a collection of snow babies. These are very special to me. They were gifted to me each year by one of my daycare kids, and I think they fit the cozy winter feel perfectly. On the bottom of the hutch, I added my double wood candle holder, and behind it, I tucked in a mini Norfolk pine wreath for extra texture and color. At this point, I really thought I was finished. But after stepping back, I felt the bottom shelf needed a touch of white to balance everything out. Let me know what you guys think. I did end up bringing some of my fine china pieces that matched the plates, and I felt that that was exactly what the space was missing. And this is how I decorated my living room and dining room for winter. I hope you enjoyed this decorating after Christmas video and found some cozy winter decorating inspiration. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I'd love for you to stick around. Be sure to check out the winter decorating series playlist, which I've linked in the description box, as I continue transitioning my home from Christmas into winter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.